Okay, I want to teach you a simple way to get your first 100 followers on Instagram and some things to avoid because if you just follow the regular instructions or you research anywhere, you'll probably get the wrong information. So I just set up this new account yesterday, and it's a tequila page that we have on Facebook that has like 60,000 followers, and we didn't have an Instagram account. So I wanted to start this page and set it up using my method that I use to grow a few other Instagram pages to 80, 100,000 followers using this method. So what's important is you do this method to get your first 100, but it actually probably works for your first like few thousand, and you got to continuously do it for the first month or so. Then after that, if you're posting good content, your stuff's going to go viral. All right. This is a tequila page. I make sure when you first sign up your account. So if you have 0 followers, brand new account, you do a few things first before I'm going to show you this method and how to get your first 100 followers. Make sure you have an image here, whether it's your personal picture, a logo, anything like that, but make sure it's like niche relevant. And when I say niche, this is a tequila niche. So I'm going after people who want to find content about tequila. You could be in the fitness niche, food blogger, travel, whatever your niche is, make sure your page looks like your niche. So if you're travel, have something travel related here. The other thing is your bio. So put some stuff in your bio, and this is a great place for keywords. So even Google, or Google, Instagram can recommend you to other people based on your keywords and things like that. So put everything in here that's related to your niche. So I have everything about tequila, tequila cocktails, tequila memes, quotes, margaritas. These are all things that we're going to be posting on this page. And then the next thing you need absolutely have to do is make sure your page is pre-populated. So this is if it's a brand new page, you have 0 posts. Well, if you start trying to get people to follow your page and they check out your page and there's no content on there, nothing relatable to what their interests are, and they can't tell within 1 second what your page is about, then they're going to leave and they're not going to follow you. So you need to make sure that this is pre-populated with enough stuff that entices people to follow you back based on whatever your niche is, and stay niche relevant. Like if you're a tequila page like me, don't have pictures of your dog on here or a travel page or anything like that. Be very specific about the topics that you post on here and make sure they're highly relevant to the niche you're in, and try not to be too broad. So I put in here at least there's 3 across. So I did I think I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I might have like 20 something, maybe 30. You can probably get away with if you did 9, 12, maybe 15 posts just to populate your grid a little bit. And that way people are going to check it out. All right, so here's the big thing you need to do. You need to go and do some searches. So search on Instagram here and start finding accounts that are in your niche, but also have under 500 followers or even under 1,000. But the best thing to do is if they have under 500 followers. Also, when you first sign up to Instagram, it's going to give you a big list of recommended people to follow. And I'll just show you real quick. So when you first sign up, it's going to be like, hey, do you want to follow these people? It's going to be like The Rock and Kim Kardashian and all these like mega accounts that are probably not even related to your niche. Don't follow them. All right. Just if you have followed them, then just unfollow. The reason why I want you to unfollow them and you should not follow those mega accounts that aren't related to your niche is because Instagram's going to start thinking about people to suggest you follow based on people you already follow or have followed or some content that you're checking out. So do you think like if you follow The Rock's going to follow you back? Because they're not. But if you follow an account like us that's into tequila, or if you're a travel blogger, someone's into travel, and they have under 1,000 or under 500 followers, their notifications are not crazy with like millions of interactions and notifications and things like that. So when they see that you follow them, they're going to follow you back. Then this follow unfollow method is like tried and true. It's been used for years and it works every time. For example, I went through and I started following people in my niche that are under 500 followers. And as you can see, like this cocktail coup, they followed me back because I was following them. And then this one here, Tasty Tipples, followed me back because I followed them. But as you can see, some other people are starting to follow me because maybe I'm posting or I'm getting suggested to them now because I'm following highly niche relevant tequila pages and bartenders that are interested in tequila. So now other pages like this whiskey guy just started following me. This it looks like a brand followed us, Dave Williams, whoever that is. And here's where it gets interesting and it proves my concept is that when I get my notifications, and I only have 75 followers right now, so I'm getting some notifications, but most of my notifications are going to be this button right here. It says follow. So when someone follows me, it gives me a follow button. I'm more likely to follow them back because that's all my notifications are right now. I get a few likes on my photos and stuff like that, but for the most part, I'm getting people following me because I'm probably getting recommended to them. They're following me and they're hoping I'm going to follow them back. And this is where I see all this. So when you follow someone, they're going to see this follow button. And it's so easy for them, especially if your name of your page is very relevant to them. So if they're a bartender and they see Tequila Times like in their notifications here, it's going to be easy for them to follow. Or you just go and check out the page. And, you know, this looks like a bar or something like that. And we like bars because we're in tequila. So, you know what? Yeah, I'll follow them back. And that's exactly what happens. The next thing is it starts suggesting pages that you should follow. So Bread and Booze, this looks great. So they have 955 followers. It's all cocktails. Of course I'm going to follow them. Now it suggests some more. So who's this Paul person? Oh, this guy likes tequila. So has 100 followers. Yeah, definitely follow this person. They already followed me. Now it's going to suggest some more. Oh, Tequila Carrera, 11,000 followers. Not following them. You know why? Because they're not going to follow me back. Let me go back to this guy. And you hit this little like people icon here. You can do it on your mobile app as well. So Nightmares and Tequila, whatever this is, 825. Tequila. Love it. I'm going to follow. Looks like they're following 2,000 something and they have 825 followers. This is a great account. The Iced Cactus, I'm not sure what this is, but they have 3,500 followers. I'm not going to follow them. Hit this little icon again. Tipsy Cow Mobile Bartending, 2,800 followers. Not going to follow them. 80 Proof AUS, so maybe this is an Australian account. Yeah, it looks like some kind of brand. I'm looking for tequila or bartenders. The Agave Caballero. Yep, 900. All about tequila. I love this one. Tequila Town, Miami, 824. Perfect. Siembre Spirits. I think that I've looked at that one. It's probably too big. Yeah, 5,000 or so. Coming back to this guy and hitting this little icon. Mezcal Loteca, 20,000. Way too many for me. Let's see if we can get a few more here. Fortaleza, it's a big brand. El Beso Cantina, 353. Boom, follow. All right, so if you can go out there, and also I think I showed it to you. On your homepage on desktop, it'll say suggested for you, and you can hit see all. This is a really easy way to do it. I just scroll down. Perfect Bartenders right here. And if you scroll over it, it says how many followers they have. 547. Definitely follow. Come down here. I already just followed them. So it was a good suggestion. Drinking Buddy 1. And 332. And yeah, why not? I'm not going after these whiskey accounts because I'm a tequila account on this page, and I don't really feel like the whiskey is a great fit. Spirits Today. Yep. The first bottle was a tequila bottle, so perfect for me. This one, 471, perfect. Agave Ranchero, perfect. Carreno Brothers, I don't know. Bourbon Sipper, no. Loco for tequila, 100% perfect for me. So I've been training this for like the last 24 to 48 hours to give me suggested tequila accounts that are under 1,000 or under 500 followers, and the follow back ratio, as you can see, is pretty hardcore. I just followed a bunch myself, but it was more than 50% of the people that I follow me back. So I feel like in the next like few hours, I'm gonna hit my first 100. And this is only in the first 24 hours, and they're highly relevant. Now let's also look at it. I've been posting, so 6 likes there, 5 likes, 4 likes. I think a couple of these, 17 likes, 11 likes, 15 likes. So like also this 12 likes. My content is getting more likes now, and I'm probably getting recommended more. So I'm going to continue to do this every day for a month, and I should have a few thousand followers within the next 30 days if I keep doing this. So to recap everything, only follow accounts that are in your niche. Make sure they have under 500 or at most under 1,000 followers. Follow all those pages and do about like 20, 30 a day. I think you probably do up to 50, but there's going to be a certain point where they're going to block you for doing too much work. And then just keep posting great content. And then you just repeat this every day for the first 30, 60 days, and you will have a viral account within like 2 months. I promise you. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. But this is how I scale and start out my pages. Then there's a lot more I do to really get them going viral. And you can check out our site, socialbuddy.com. We have an Instagram tutorials there. So have a great day.